Mismatic.com.
Many of our customers asked us for a machine like Sophia, but which was equipped with a vacuum printing table. From this request Lorenzo was born, a semi-automatic screen printing machine for sheets, paper, cardboard, etc., that gives a nod at printers of transfers for fabric. Unlike traditional semi-automatic screen printing machines, where the table is covered by the printing unit and the space for loading and unloading the sheet is reduced, Lorenzo's mobile printing table makes loading and unloading the material quick and easy. The machine has a printing size of 50 by 70 centimeters, a production speed up to 500 sheets per hour and operates at 220 volts with only 750 watts of power. Lorenzo can be equipped as option with the latest generation Ethernet, Wi-Fi router. Thanks to this device, the possibilities of the machine are greatly expanded. In the event of an electronic fault, Mismatic engineers can connect to the machinery directly from the offices in Milan, Italy, to check for any anomalies and, if needed, make the necessary changes to the software of the machine. Thanks to a VNC server, Lorenzo can also be controlled remotely from tablets and smartphones, iOS and Android. This technology is very convenient in some situations, for example, when inserting or removing the screen, or, to remotely monitor the production of the machinery. Each software update of the machine is released free of charge to the customer. All the data flow, in and out, of the router passes through a secure VPN network with ISO 27001 security certification. The infrared dryer model M265 is Lorenzo's ideal companion. Due to the latest generation technology, this dryer can dry the printed items using only 3.2 kilowatts, high efficiency standard with very low cost.
Mismatic.com.